bad reception.
National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Morgan
Oh,
County
it's destructive
in
too.
Colorado,
Look at that.
Morgan County in northeastern Colorado
3-inch hail.
until 5:30 p.m.
Jeez.
At 4:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of New Raymer, or 28 miles north of Fort Morgan, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for northeastern Weld, southwestern Logan, and northeastern Morgan counties.
That doesn't help much.
Hazard, 3 inches, 30 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles.
Claim your
You can't. Locations in the past This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable